Hi, I want to go through a few things with you because I've got this giant box of awesome goodies here. And this is one of the things that really gets me pumped and excited about this company is that we're not really like stuck or pigeonholed into only sports nutrition. Like we're able to expand into other markets, and I've always wanted to have a company where I could actually have like a home party and not just mixing up a bunch of shakes, like here, try this shake, try this shake, try this shake, but actually have some products that I can share, like this incredible cleaning kit that I just got in, okay? So I'm just gonna unpack it for you, and then I'll kind of just describe it, I guess you could say, and tell you everything that's in. This is the Get Clean kit, and oh, here we go. Here's the awesome, here we go. Here's the Get Clean kit. Here's everything that you get with it. And the good thing is everything comes highly concentrated, okay? So, and why I say that that's the good thing is because you're not paying for water, you know, and I think that that's like probably the most disturbing part is you're not paying for water. Actually, in a little while, I am going to put like a more, you know, comprehensive video that gives you training on these products. So be on the lookout for that. But one of the things that really jumped out to me was 1 out of every 12 kids has asthma. And I actually went on this went on a journey, a search for cleaning products when my son got diagnosed with asthma when he was only 4.5. He is almost 11 now. So this is so cool. I'm very excited about being able to dive into this. So first of all, you get these canisters for the dishwasher powder, okay? It's just a canister because you mix it up yourself. And then here's another one, Get Clean Nature Bright Laundry Booster and Stain Remover, okay? These are all clean products. This one is for the laundry. So you get in this amazing package, right? It's all together. You have the fresh laundry detergent. I still have to do all my mixing and everything, but what I love, it says right here, clean concentrate, contains biodegradable ingredients, hypoallergenic, non-toxic, no chlorine or bleach, not tested on animals, and it says bottle made from 25% post-consumer recycled plastic. So, I mean, this is like such a sustainable company. I just really love that. I'm always thinking about like the future of our, the future of our earth and everything. So this is the Get Clean Nature Bright Laundry Stain Remover. Okay, so it comes in this little awesome package. I'm gonna have to put everything in my containers. Here is the dishwasher detergent, or is it dishwasher detergent? No, it's a powder, and this is also a concentrate. So this is very cool. Contains biodegradable ingredients, no phosphates, no chlorine, not tested on animals. Also really amazing stuff. This was not expensive, by the way. I do have to point out, this was not expensive to buy all of this stuff because what I've heard is it could last up to a year, okay? We got the hand dishwash soap. We also have some spray bottles for you to mix your concentrates in for windows, degreaser, and the third one is an all-purpose cleaner. So it comes with spray bottles, so you don't have to buy those separate. It comes with that. You get some cleaning products here. So you get 3 of those spray bottles. And then, gosh, I just love opening up new packages. It's so exciting. They also give you this little dropper so you can do your measurements. There's a little plastic dropper in there. You can do your measurements. You get a microfiber sponge. You get like a scrubby guy, and then a towel, okay? So this all comes in your package, and, oh, even more goodies. Additional items. So this must be for extra stuff here. This goes in a bottle, so it's got a pump for you, and additional scoopers, okay? That all comes with it. Here's your Get Clean fabric softeners. Comes with fabric softeners, which also non-toxic, no fragrance, biodegradable, recyclable, and it's not tested on animals. Okay, very important stuff. I love this. You get the tote. Oops, almost dropped that. You get the tote, of course. Instructions, and so you know exactly how to mix it. how to mix the, for floors, how to mix for pots and pans, how to mix for woolens, nylons, etc. So it's all here for you. You get all those instructions. And then this is the last one. This is the basic H2 all-purpose cleaner. It's the concentrate, okay? And like I said, it's biodegradable. This makes 40, holy crap! This right here makes 48 gallons. Like, I don't remember how much this set was, but it wasn't that much. And somebody recently told me that they buy it once a year. Like, can you imagine getting your cleaning products once a year? I mean, I don't know how much, this dish soap I'll probably have to get some more of, but as far as the cleaning stuff goes, absolutely. The laundry itself makes 32 loads. The laundry is 32 loads. So you probably have to get that more than once a year. The hand dish wash, does it say it? Does it say it? Does it mix? Does it mix? It's a liquid concentrate. Again, it contains biodegradable ingredients, non-toxic, not tested on animals, and the bottle is made from 20% recycled material. I'm just trying to see how much it says it's a concentrate. I'm probably just not seeing it here. Oh, it says just apply a few drops to a sponge and then wash so you only use like a couple drops of this at a time. So y'all, this is the home cleaning kit. Now let's see if I can get it all back in here, because I gotta mix all my goodies up, but there's a ton of stuff in here for you. Like I said, later today, I'm gonna be dropping more of like an educational type video, but I just wanted to show this to you so that you could see it, feel it, touch it. I mean, you can't touch it, but you know what I mean? Like, it's just so much more powerful when you're able to see how your kit comes. I was gonna go ahead and pick and choose like the things I was gonna use first, but I was like, you save so much when you just get the whole kit. And especially since this is my business, you know, this is awesome. So thanks for taking the time to watch this. Here's all your goodies. Now let's go get them, right?